in the state of this colorlessness. Is it nice for me to feel? Oh, now I feel splendiferous or not? In my real feeling, actually, there's nothing. I feel there's nothing. I experience. Desperately, do I have some power to go forth or not? My servant comes to me. Going to have a sense of appreciation to her or not? Oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to manage myself. In losing my way to breathe, I'm now coming to have some sort of entrance. I deepen the meaning of the entrance. I can tell you now by language, but I can feel. I know the answer myself, inwardly myself here. There's nothing I can tell.